everyone, 皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to 日本語 with Yukino. Today, we're going to look at 3 important grammars from N5 level, and also you can learn how to cook Yakiudon, one of my favorite Japanese food, Yakiudon. I'll share recipe and ingredients and how to cook as well. So please stay tuned. If this first time to see my channel, welcome! This is 日本語 with Yukino channel. I teach Japanese grammar, vocabulary, and Japanese culture. Also, a little bit of cooking recipe. So if you want to improve your Japanese level, you're in the right space. So I hope I can teach you more and more in the futures too. Alright, let's look at 3 important grammars for today. First, ましょう。ましょう is 一緒に何かをする誘いの表現です。That means an expression to invite someone to do something together. We often translate into English like let's do blah blah blah, something ましょう. Grammatically wise, you use must form, but instead of must, we change this す to しょう. So ましょう, something ましょう. For example, 一緒に帰りましょう。一緒に帰りましょう。一緒に together 帰りましょう。Let's go home. Let's go home together. Next. 一緒に勉強しましょう。一緒に勉強しましょう。Again, together 勉強しましょう。Let's study together. 一緒に勉強しましょう。Next. 今度映画を見ましょう。今度映画を見ましょう。今度 means next time. So next time, let's watch a movie. 映画を見ましょう。Let's watch a movie. So this grammar is to invite someone to do something together. This is the key point, together. Alright, so it's your turn to try quiz. Please take as long as you want, but please try to answer doing your best. Alright, let's try. Alright, the next grammar is ましょうか。ましょうか。So, it is to offer a help or give a hand to someone, and often translate into like, shall I? Shall I? Something ましょうか. Again, same as ましょう. We use must form, but instead of す, this time, しょうか. It's a question. か. Question. ましょうか? Give a hand to someone. Let's look at example sentences. Number 1. 荷物を持ちましょうか? 荷物を持ちましょうか? That means maybe imagine this scenario that maybe an old lady is carrying a lot of heavy bags, maybe after supermarket, right? Then you say, 荷物を持ちましょうか? So I will give a hand to this old lady and saying, shall I help you bring your bags? So 荷物 is luggage or like bags. 持ちましょうか、持ちます is to hold. So shall I bring it for you? Number 2. 写真を撮りましょうか? 写真を撮りましょうか? So maybe in this case you see, let's say couples. Okay, so couples in front of us are trying to take selfie. But it's always good someone to take them instead, right? So I say, 写真を撮りましょうか? Shall I take your photos? Shall I take your photos? So help this time by taking photo of them. Number 3. 空港に迎えに行きましょうか? 空港に迎えに行きましょうか? So 空港 is airport. So, this time, I'll offer help by picking up these people at the airport. Shall I pick up you at the airport? 空港に迎えに行きましょうか? Alright, now it's your turn to try this quiz about ましょうか. Please try your best. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, the last grammar for today is ませんか ませんか Again, we have ka, so it's a question. But this expression is to invite someone to do something, but this time you don't know what the other person will say. Maybe this person will say, yes, let's do it. Maybe this other person will say no. Maybe this person has another things to do, or maybe this person doesn't like to do the activity that you're trying to invite. And this time again, must form, but instead of su, this time, せんか、ませんか. Alright, let's look at example sentences. 今週の金曜日に映画を見ませんか? 今週の金曜日に映画を見ませんか? That means this Friday, would you like to watch a movie with me? Would you like to watch a movie with me this Friday? 今週の金曜日に映画を見ませんか? Number 2. 明日一緒に夜ご飯食べませんか? 明日一緒に夜ご飯食べませんか? That means you're asking tomorrow, 明日一緒に together 夜ご飯を食べませんか? Would you like to eat dinner together? Would you like to eat dinner together? 明日一緒に夜ご飯食べませんか? The third example is 夏祭りに行きませんか? 夏祭りに行きませんか? That means 夏祭り summer festival 行きませんか? Would you like to go to a summer festival together? 夏祭りに行きませんか? Would you like to go to a summer festival together? Would you like to go to a summer festival together? So, like I said, ませんか this time you don't know what the other person would react, yes or no. But compared to ましょう, so ましょう, the first grammar that we did today, ましょう is like kind of, you can guess this person wants to do the things that I'm trying to invite together as well. So maybe 70 to 80% you're sure about this. But ませんか you don't know, 50-50. Alright, it's now your turn to try this ませんか quiz. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, how was it? I hope you understand this ましょう、ましょうか、ませんか. People sometimes get confused with these three, and especially ませんか, ましょう are very similar. So please, I hope you understand these differences too. Alright, so now let's look at how to cook yakiudon. And if you have any requests on what you want to cook, Japanese food, please give me ideas in the comment down below. Alright, so yakiudon. Let's look at this. Alright, that's for today. I really hope you understand ましょう、ましょうか、ませんか, these important grammars and a little bit of cooking as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!